Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I just wanted to do a quick income report for April 2021. And so I can share with you how much I make on Kindle Direct publishing low content books. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Publish with Ashley. I've got lots of great tips. I am all about teaching you and showing you how to make Kindle Direct publishing and creating low content books and publishing them on Amazon, and how to make it profitable. This is a business and I treat it like a business, and I want you to treat it like a business. And my channel is all about helping you look professional and increase your skills and do really well on the platform. I also talk about other ways to reuse your Kindle Direct publishing interiors and then things that you've created on other platforms to make money online. So please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so income report for 2021 April. I'm going to share my screen real quick so you can see. All right. And there it is. Okay. So I have made in April $2,214.95. Okay, so that's the big reveal. And I know everyone, I'm going to stop sharing real quick. Okay, I know everyone is always like, oh, you did that with ads. It is true. I do ads. I did look right before this video. I spent about $200 in ads. I advertised in the US and in the UK, and together it came to about $200, give a dollar or two, depending on the exchange rate for the UK. So it was about $200. And so those are just ads I had running. And I know everyone's like, oh, $2,000. You maybe that's a lot. Maybe it's not a lot. I just started really kind of doing these income reports because I think it is motivational, and I want to show people the real life, the KDP truth, if you will. I was talking to Nuria, if you've seen her YouTube channel, and we were talking about, what is the truth? What is the truth of this? And it is that KDP has a cycle like anything. There's ups and downs. Q4, which is the end of the year. So you're talking October, November, December, and then Q1 is January. But a lot of my stuff really sells well in October, November, December, and January, because I have a lot of things that kind of have a yearly, that planner cyclical feel. I do a lot of things that's kind of people start in the new year. So my stuff in kind of mid-year isn't as good, but I'm actually excited with this $2,000 because I haven't been publishing books in a while. I haven't even been paying attention to my account. Normally I am all about optimizing my ads and doing a lot of ad work because I have very low ACoS, but to get a very low ACoS, you have to spend time and effort. So the money I did spend were long running ads that have have performed for me for a while, that I just have very low spend rates and that do well. But to do that takes time. And I have been so busy with my family life. I've been busy taking courses. I'm trying to finish these college level courses for my job, my mini jobs. I have two businesses, a job, I do KDP. So I don't do KDP. I can say I can do it full time. I make a full-time income on it, but I'm always doing something else. And so this month, the last month, April, I'm pretty happy with my $2,000 overall profit because I didn't do anything. And I think that is so amazing. And I think it's also good for you guys to see the ups and downs of the business. December, January, I'm making $12,000, $8,000, $9,000. Those are the numbers I'm making in that time of year. And this time of year, I'm really happy with $2,000, $3,000, sometimes up to $4,000. I do a little bit better when summer hits. I've got a lot of summer niches that do really well for me, and I can kind of see those building up. But that's okay. I'm okay with that because a lot of businesses are seasonal, and this is one that is that way. And each year, as I add new things and add more, my base level, low level income will increase, and that's a good thing. So I was excited with this 2,000 because that's kind of, I had a lower low before. It was more like 1,500. So I'm thinking 2,000 is pretty good. I'm excited about that. And each year it will just, the the low will raise. And I just treat this like a business. I keep pushing on. I sometimes sprint in the sense I'll do a bunch of books at once and then I won't do anything for a while. But it's all about you and finding what rhythm works for you and how you can make this business work in your lifestyle. And that is what I really love about this, because KDP is something that you don't have to worry about customer service. You just publish your books. Amazon does all that, and you can do ads if you want, or you can just create more books or start creating a brand, or you can advertise on Pinterest for free or social media or whatever works for you and your lifestyle. And I really love that about this. Anyway, so I just wanted to make this short report and let you know what was happening for me in April. And I will see you all next month I'll see you on the YouTube channel. So make sure to like and subscribe, but I'll give my next income report next month. All right. Thanks so much. Bye.